There's not a chance in hell I would join a corrupt organisation. The biggest gang in the UK, mate. That's you. Biggest gang in the UK. And you have permission to walk around with guns.
Welcome to LawScope UK, where police encounters are broken down by the law, not opinion. Power to the proletariat is the source of today's video. Go support them by watching the entire video. You can find their link down below. Armed officers operate with extraordinary powers. Powers we expect to be used carefully, lawfully, and only when absolutely required. However, their choices in this encounter offer an entirely different dilemma. A reaction that just doesn't fit the situation they are facing. And when armed officers step outside their own rules, the concern isn't the filming, it's the culture that supports it. Let's dive right in.
That's what you're filming.
Huh?
What are you filming?
Well, what does it look like I'm filming?
Well, you can't film it now.
Well, why not? It's open, isn't it? If you don't want to film, put a big old fence up. That's so close, that's a bit rude. But yeah, if you don't want to film, just put a big old fence up, don't you?
What are you here for?
Well, what does it look like I'm here for?
I don't know, you haven't said.
What does it look like I'm here for?
I don't know. Could be here for anything, couldn't you?
Oh, it could be.
Get a visa?
Pardon?
You here for a visa?
No, I'm not American. I don't sound American, do I? I think I've got quite a British accent.
Yeah, that's why you that's why you need a visa.
What for? What to go in there? What?
No, to go to America.
Oh, right. So this is where you come to get visas to go to America?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. I thought you meant like this is where they had to come like renew visas and stuff.
No.
No. Okay. No, I'm good. I'm all good. Yeah. So, no. Well, as I said when you came out, no, I don't need any help. Thank you. What's PADP? It stands for what? Passport and something?
Parliamentary and diplomatic protection.
Ah, okay, there we go, cool. Not heard that one before, so yeah, it's new for me. So, yeah, no, I'm good.
Cool.
Yeah, alrighty. Just, can you identify yourselves for me, guys?
No.
No?
2649.
2649, thank you, that's how it's supposed to be done. What if I can't read?
It's alright, it's fine.
No, it's not. You've interacted with me as a member of the public. You're a UK police officer. You have to identify. Section 42 of the Police Reform Act. So identify, please.
Okay.
Verbally announce your identification. I can't read.
What's that?
I can't verbally identify.
So to be fair...
Verbally, I don't know. I'm done with you. You've identified. Thank you. Verbally identify.
When interacting with the public, officers are required by Section 42 of the Police Reform Act to identify themselves. These officers refuse to do it verbally. The auditor has to demand it many times. The body cameras come next. Both are recording. None have announced it. The Met policy is unambiguous. You inform people at the first practical opportunity. They made the first move. That was their chance.
You'd think after the whole Wayne Couzens incident, you'd be following your Met Commissioner's advice, really, wouldn't you, on identifying? Have you got a warrant card on you?
Yes.
Can I see your warrant card, please?
That's it.
Yes, please. Thank you.
BC Wilson 2905.
Well, that's not showing me. That's flashing a card. I don't know what that card says, do I? That's not showing me your warrant card. That's just flashing. I could do that. I could pull anything out of my pocket and be like, oh, I'm a cop. There you go. There's my warrant card.
Told you my name. Told you my phone number.
There you go.
You can film me sensitive property in there. Okay.
Well, if it's sensitive, I highly recommend not having big glass windows from a public footpath.
Okay,
that would be a bit stupid, wouldn't it?
Behind the wall. There's no reason for you to film behind there. Okay.
Well, that's what I want to film. You have no right to tell me what I can and cannot film.
We haven't got a legitimate reason to film behind there.
What my reasons are none of your business.
So it's quite sensitive behind there. Obviously, the gate's coming in and out of the embassy.
So that gate over there that's completely see-through.
Okay, so why don't you film from over there?
Because I haven't got round to that part of the building yet.
Come around to here.
Because this is the bit that I saw first.
Is there anything else you've been filming? CCTV cameras, anything sensitive in there?
I've been filming the whole building and look at it, it's gorgeous.
Okay. Well, I suggest just keep moving on. There's nothing else to film here.
You can suggest what you like.
Okay.
Am I detained?
At the moment, no.
Well, then if I'm not detained, I'm free to go, then I'm free to stay, aren't I?
Okay.
So don't tell me to move.
At the moment, you can be detained in Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Obviously, you're filming sensitive areas.
You're detaining me under Section 43?
Okay. You've got anything on your phone that...
Okay, what are your grounds for the detainment and search?
You come up to us, you come around to film behind sensitive areas. sensitive areas of the embassy, filming the cameras up there, coming in here. Obviously, there's no need for you to come approach us and try and get around the gate.
Then try and get around the gate.
Okay. Have you got anything on your phone that we can have a look at?
I mean, you're the one that's doing the detaining and searching.
Okay. So my name's PC and Wilson. I'm attached to Lily Road Police Station. So I'm going to detained Section 43 Terrorism Act. See, reasons given you, film sensitive areas, filming the cameras, filming behind here. There's no reason for you to come up to us.
A reasonable suspicion that someone is a terrorist is required by Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Not suspicious behavior. Terrorism. Their premises. Publicly filming the gates, cameras, and embassy. The issue. The MPCC advice from 2010 says photography is not evidence for terrorism suspicion. According to your own memo, the auditor even tells them, but they don't pay attention. They are disregarding the fact that it is official. Because a camera damaged their ego, Section 43 is being used as a weapon. It's quite startling for two armed officers.
So what is it, so under Section 43, you've declared your grounds, which I think are wrong. I'm going to state that now.
Okay.
Okay. Don't, according to your own memo from the National Police Chiefs Council, filming is not grounds for Section 43, but that's fine. We'll come round to that in court. Secondly, what is it that you expect to find under Section 43 in this search? That's the other part that you have to announce to me, so let's go through that.
On your phone that might sort of prelude that you...
Okay, such as?
Sensitive photos of the embassy, cameras, CCTV. Obviously I can look through your phone, can't delete anything.
Nope.
Just have a look through your phone and see if there is anything on
okay.
the embassy that we wouldn't expect to find
okay.
sort of coming over to the area.
Okay. So you're going to be the one performing the search?
No, you can show me on your phone.
So that's what you want to see, is you want to see the footage on my phone?
Just anything you've been taken through here.
Right, okay. Right. So both of you are recording, yeah? Cool, yeah. Brilliant, lovely. Right guys, I'm going to have to stop recording because I am detained, so I lawfully have to show them, and we'll deal with this in court. I shall pick it back up afterwards. There we go guys, so he's filling out the search slip right now. He decided he wanted to search my phone, hasn't searched my person.
This is the procedural error that compromises the detention as a whole. Crucially, the officer never searches the person under Section 43 subsection 1. Instead, he uses his authority under Section 43 subsection 2 to examine the phone for evidence. The auditor is not patted down for weapons, shackled, or physically restrained. He's even authorized to reach into his pockets and fetch a vape during the imprisonment. From an officer's safety perspective, you should secure the person first if there is a real suspicion of terrorism. Weapons and dangerous gadgets are no longer a menace. Next, you look at digital evidence. This order is important from a legal standpoint. It demonstrates the officer's own conduct is incongruous with the genuine belief the auditor genuinely poses a terrorist threat.
And then when I asked him if I can put my hand in my pocket to get my vape out, bear in mind my person has not been searched, he said, yeah, that's fine. Do you think that sounds like somebody who genuinely suspects me of being a terrorist, or do you think that's a tyrant and a knob who's just going to abuse his powers? Do you know what misfeasance in public offices? Do you know that's a life imprisonment? Yeah. Misfeasance in public office. So, IOPC complaint for him, because these two came along. He verbally announced, he didn't, their identity. Nobody notified me that they're recording me. I had to ask each and every one of them. And yeah, for this numpty who said he's going to detain and search me, that's going to be a criminal charge of misfeasance in public office. He's having to be babysat and talk through how to do a search list.
The probable criminal offense and misconduct in public office are accurately identified by the auditor. This calls for evidence showing a public servant willfully disregarded or overreached their responsibilities, knowing that their actions were illegal or harmful. Misusing Section 43 powers to prohibit authorized photography when there is no true reasonable suspicion satisfies those requirements, and the potential term is life in prison.
How would you describe yourself ethnicity-wise?
Told you I'm not answering any questions. So yeah, these guys are part of the PADP, which was Parliamentary and Diplomatic Protection, was it? Yeah, there we go. Just so I know what force to link you guys to. So let's have a show of hands. Who thinks searching somebody searching their phone for terrorism before searching their person is a good practice for a police officer. Yeah, no hands. Yeah, that's what I thought. Because you know it's fucking stupid. I don't want to fucking join you, mate. Because you're thugs and tyrants. You abuse your powers.
You come in and make the difference. You come in and make the difference.
Make the difference, mate. There's not a chance in hell. There's not a chance in hell I would join a corrupt organisation. The biggest gang in the UK, mate. That's you. Biggest gang in the UK. And you have permission to walk around with guns. Ridiculous. Absolute joke. You just go around abusing people's rights. Abusing your powers. Bear in mind, guys, I wasn't handcuffed. My person wasn't searched. All he wanted to do was look at the footage, and he wanted to see what I was recording around here. Pardon? Why?
This is part of the embassy land.
Right.
Okay. So
then that's civil trespass, isn't it? Yeah, it's civil trespass. You have no power.
Do not go there.
You have no power over civil trespass. Don't touch me.
Do not go there.
Actually, to be fair, am I still detained at this point?
Not at the moment.
No? Okay, there we go. I'm not detained. You have no power over civil trespass. No.
A very small-minded power struggle. The police made an effort to stop the auditor from moving a few steps to obtain an alternative viewpoint. Am I still detained? Is the crucial question posed by the auditor. The policeman says, no. So, if he's not held, the police has zero jurisdiction to regulate his movement. He is unable to instruct him on what to record, where to walk, or where to stand. Despite being aware of this, the auditor simply passes by. No repercussions since they are impossible. In an attempt to coerce cooperation, the officer was issuing orders that he was not legally permitted to carry out. All he could do was observe when that didn't work.
That's what he wanted to look at my phone, because he wanted to see what I recorded around there when he was literally stood behind me and watched me record it. That's what he's detained me and searched me for. Mate. You stood there and watched me record it, and you wanted to know, and that's the bit you were interested in watching, is what I recorded around there, when you could see what I was recording.
Obviously what we were filming earlier, we don't know what you've been filming, we don't know what's going on around there. Okay.
Carry on, do you slip?
Go, my friend.
What's it, pardon?
You're free to go.
I'm waiting for my slip.
Okay.
And if I'm free to go, I'm free to stay.
By all means.
Absolutely. What's the date and time? Sorry, what's the date today? 30th. And the time is, let's have a look, 1927, just for the record. So yeah, again, they suspect me of being terrorists, but they've got sidearms, obviously holstered and that, but, you know, not cuffed, not searched, not my person.
Cool. Look at that to you.
Absolutely.
Right. Is there anything else we can
No, you can f*** off. Why? No, I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to him. No, I don't care about manners. I've just been illegally searched and detained. I don't give a f***. I don't want to be respectful. You don't deserve respect.
You see, now you're stereotyping.
There's nothing else we need.
You deserve to be in a jail cell, mate. That's what you deserve. And like I said, I will be taking criminal prosecution against you for misfeasance in public office. And I hope you go look that up, what that means, because you'll be f***ing pants.
That's entirely your choice there, isn't it?
Yes.
It's fine. If there's nothing else we help with today.
Yeah.
These include authorized firearms officers with specialized training for high-threat situations, PAT-P officers, and the Parliamentary and Diplomatic Protection Command. However, they disregard the MPCC's photography guidelines, violate Section 42 identification criteria, misuse Section 43 thresholds, and disregard fundamental custody and search protocols. This has nothing to do with a single poor incarceration. This relates to the misuse of counterterrorism laws to stifle legitimate accountability. Photographers carrying cameras are not the intended targets of Section 43. If this breakdown demonstrated how cops who ought to know better abuse Section 43, please hit the like button and leave a comment on the repercussions these officers should face. Check out my Know Your Rights guide, which is the first link in the description, to find out exactly what your rights are when the cops approach you. Many people are already benefiting from it. Before it's too late, make sure you understand your rights. I'll see you all at the next one. Tranquilly.